Mama, I want to play Bible.
You want to play, you say, I want to play volleyball.
I want to play Bible.
Where?
In this school.
Talk properly.
I love you.
I love you too. Where are we going? Where are we going?
And the
Was it?
so good.
No, it's hot pa eh.
Yes, ma'am.
Try that. Thank you, Kuya.
What's that colors?
Green tea, cucumber,
And this one.
strawberry.
And where's Daddy's?
Ito tagal.
So you're the baby?
Yeah.
Stop crying, baby. So ingay. Can you hear me? It's good.
Ayaw.
Menu.
Yan po sir, oyster, homemade ice cream, and then yung ano po, gyoza po.
Okay. May oyster?
Yes po sir.
Sige nga.
Ilang pieces po?
Ano yan?
Bake po siya sir.
Bake siya. Mga 6 pieces.
Sige.
Thank
Pwede
you.
to wait, sir.
Sige. Thank you.
Homemade ice cream.
Homemade?
Ito yung wala sa menu. Yeah.
Ba't yun na ano?
Spicy, yeah.
Ba't yun na order?
You try it first.
7 to 10 minutes.
Sige.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Kuya.
Tigas?
Yes. So that's the octopus one. Ganun katigas yung octopus.
Sakit lang yun dun.
So guys, naka-braces. So let's try this homemade ice cream. Careful na. Okay, so let's eat the homemade ice cream. You want the homemade ice cream? Wow, sarap. Avocado.
I want to try.
You try. How was it? Good? Oh, look at here. Outfit check for Samara. Eating beef. Here's the homemade ice cream. Wasabi.
Maguhit.
I tried the avocado. This one, avocado. Ate the wasabi. Well, avocado is good.
How about
I
this
haven't
one?
tried the. Yeah, what's that?
Ay, thank you.
Thank you. What's that?
Oyster.
I want to try the oyster. Or you want to try the oyster? Fresh. Show me. Is it fresh? I want to try. Okay. Sarap. Sarap. Sobrang sulit here. So, anong luto to?
Bake lang.
Bake lang. May garlic siya eh. Sarap. Sarap. What are you doing? I don't know.
Mango.
Good. So may garlic siya, ito, and then fresh oyster. What's that?
Scallop.
Scallop. I ordered scallops. How was it? Huh?
Wait, Bema?
So this one is sulit for us. Green tea. Cover natin sila. I have a lot of pimple here. Sobrang sulit dito, guys. If you are craving sa Japanese food, so dito kayo kumain sa Century Park Hotel. 50 off sila when you have BPI. I don't know sa ibang card, pero we have BPI. Around 800 to 900 daw yung babayaran. Later, I'll show you the price. Here's my oyster. Grabe sa akin lahat to. Ayaw na ni Sheldon. Break out ako. Dami kong pimple. Sorry. Kung may Anli food, magkakaroon kami sa car wash namin ng Anli car wash. And very, very sulit din.
Wow. Bilis ah.
Yeah. Bilis nila gumawa, no? Parang kaka-order lang ito. Pero maliit siya ngayon. Maliit.
Okay.
Okay lang. Ito ang sarap. Where can I put this? Cover natin yung tao. What? Ano yan?
Yeah. What?
Tamara's eating crepe.
This one.
Okay.
Dati pa kasi
Dati ba? Bakit ayaw ko?
ayaw mo dito.
Kasi hindi maganda yung experience ko dun sa kabila.
Kasi last time pumunta tayo dito, sarado na.
Ayoko kasi ng Japanese sa Pilipinas. Bakit? Japanese
Kasi
food
it will not be the same level.
sa Japan.
What? Oh, crepe. So it's a mango crepe with the vanilla ice cream on top. They also put walnut inside the mango. Really good. Once you put the walnut inside, oh, it's a game changer. This is Oreo, crushed Oreo toppings. It creates texture also on the ice cream as well.
It has
Well, so if you mix it together, the ice cream, the crepe, with the walnut inside, and the a crunch of Oreo.
why don't get
You want food? On your own? What will you eat? Ba? Crepe or ice cream?
There's a story in every bite.
Samara, what are you eating? You have your ice cream and crepe. Dessert. So I have chocolate. What's inside, Daddy?
Eh?
What's inside?
Nothing inside.
Nothing?
Outside only. Mango, peach mango side.
Chocolate outside and peach mango inside. Nakakawala ng umay. After eating so many oysters, salmon? Sarap. Let's have a big bite. Sarap. So hard to get. What? Okay. This is minus 8. How much? How much?
2.5 for 8.
For 3 people. Samara is full. So our bill is 2.3.
2.5.
Total. Oh, okay. Amount charge pala. 2.5. Why may discount?
There's 50 odd in BPI.
Okay, okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.